Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will share with you a creamy avocado dip recipe called guacamole, which is everyone's favorite and at the same time has impressive health benefits. So what are we waiting for? Let's scoop out some avocados and make this very quick and delicious recipe. For this recipe, we will need 3 avocados, 1 finely chopped small red onion, 2 green onions, around 1 cup loosely packed fresh cilantro, juice of half lemon, roasted ground cumin, and salt. Let's start by chopping the onions finely so that we don't have to work extra pounding the onions in pestle and mortar. Now we chop the cilantro and add to the onions. I also like to use the cilantro stems to get extra flavor for this recipe. Now we will pound onions and cilantro in pestle and mortar. Crushing onions and cilantro like this releases more flavors. Cut the avocados into half and remove the seed. Now we will chop the green onions and add to the onion and cilantro paste. Now we will scoop out the avocados. It's easier to scoop if we cut the avocados first. Pound the avocados, leaving some chunks behind. Add salt and ground cumin and give them a mix. In the end, squeeze lemon juice. Try to make this dip fresh and consume it the same day because avocados have the tendency to go brown, which is not very appealing to the eyes but does not affect the taste. Here we have our creamy avocado dip full of flavors. Serve with your choice of chips or crackers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.